Here in last class you already solved exercise number 2.1 from question number 1 to 4. Okay, now this is question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Means now we have to identify which property is used in that situations in multiplication operation. Okay, so here first one is here the 4 minus 4 divided by 5 take as a okay, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a, which means here the a term is repeated to a, which means here which property it is, the multiplicative identity is right, hence it is a multiplicative, okay, multiplicative identity. Which property is multiplicative identity. Next here minus 13 divided by 17 into minus 2 divided by 7 is equal to minus 2 divided by 7 into minus 13 divided by 7, which means here a divided by b into p divided by q, or direct you have to take minus 13 divided by 17 take as a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, so remember or recall the all properties you studied in previous classes. Which property it is? Commutative properties, right? So it is a commutative property. Next, third one, see here minus 19 divided by 29 into 29 divided by minus 19 is equal to 1. Which means the minus 19 divided by 29, the multiplicative inverse of minus 19 divided by 29 is 29 divided by minus 19. So that's why our answer is 1. Is right. So our property is multiplicative inverse. Right, multiplicative inverse. Please note down this, and now we shall move towards the question number 6. See here, this is question number 6. Multiply 6 divided by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 divided by 16. Okay. So first now we have to find the reciprocal of minus 7 divided by 16, is right. So write here solution. The reciprocal of minus 7 divided by 16 is, what is the reciprocal of minus 7 divided by 16 is 16 divided by minus 7. Is right. Now we have to multiply the 6 divided by 13 into 16 divided by minus 7. 6 divided by 13 into 16 divided by minus 7 is equals to 16 6 are 96 divided by plus into minus minus, and 13 7s are 91. Okay, so your answer. Now move towards the question number 7. This is question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute. Okay. See here 1 divided by 3 into in the bracket 6 divided by 4 divided by 3 is equals to in the bracket 1 divided by 3 into multiply 6 bracket complete into 4 divided by 3. So now have to take 1 divided by 3 as a. Okay. Next, multiply as it is in the bracket 6, take as a b, multiply 4 divided by 3 take as a c. So bracket complete is equals to, so 1 divided by 3 it is a into 6 take as a b, bracket complete into 4 divided by 3 take as a c. So now you comes to know, so 1 into in the bracket b into c bracket complete is equal to in the bracket A into B bracket complete into C. Okay, so which property it is? Commutative property or associativity property? Yes, it is associativity property. So that's why it is compute to allow. So 1 divided by 3 into, so all these equation is compute to which property? Associative property. Right? Hence it is associative property. Okay. So now move towards the next question, question number 8. Here, this is question number 8. Is 8 divided by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into 1 divided by 8? High or high not? First, you should have to know what is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so see here, since the any one rational number, okay, since A as a rational number, then the multiplicative inverse of A is 1 divided by A. Why? Because the 8 into 1 divided by A is equal to 1. The product of these two numbers must be 1. Okay. At that time only we say the A as a rational number, then the multiplicative inverse of A is 1 divided by A. So now let us check this number. Okay. So 8 divided by 9 into minus 1 to 1 divided by 8. Okay. So is equals to 8 divided by 9 into, see here, 1 into 1 divided by 8, which means here 8 ones are 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so 9 divided by 8 and take minus sign as it is equals to 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. So minus sign as it is. So therefore here the product of 8 divided by 9 and minus 9 divided by 8 is minus 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 8 divided by 9 is not minus 1, 1 divided by 8. Why? Because their product is minus 1. Okay. See here, what is the condition of multiplicative inverse? A into 1 divided by A is equal to, the product is must be positive. Okay, the product must be positive. So that's why it is not a, hence it is not a multiplicative inverse, because the product is must be positive. Okay, so now ninth question, it is also similar to 8. Okay, just number will be changed. See here, 0.3. It is also same. Since if A as a rational number, then the multiplicative inverse of A is 1 divided by A, and the product of A and 1 divided by A must be 1. So right, so that's why here 0.3 into 1 divided by 3. So now 0.3 we can be written as 3 divided by 10. Is it right? So 0.3 can be written as 3 divided by 10 into 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 divided by 3. Now here 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So answer is 1. So hence The multiplicative inverse of 0.3 is 3 1 divided by 3 because their product is 1 and it is in the positive integer. Right? Please note down this and now move towards question number 10.